Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll build this rocket together with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I just copy Falcon Heavy. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel. I will bring new video. Let's start coding. So let's build from scratch. Put a folder. Three files here. HTML, the main image, and then a style sheet. Open it, Sublime Text. Let's start with. So this is the starting, and put the style sheet. And put the title. So this is the title, and one meta tag is required. This is the viewport. Content width equal to device width. Initial scale always 1.0. So this is the meta tag, and we need, now we can start the coding. So coding part is just two divs. So first div is canvas, the actual canvas holding the rocket. Inside the canvas, put the rocket div, and inside it the image. So img plus one span tag for middle the fire of the rocket booster, middle booster. So image will be .png. Now our coding is complete. This is the actual rocket and background. So let's start with the CSS. So CSS rule always starting with a star. A star means everything. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, HTML body always hide 100%, width 100%. Now the canvas position always relative. Position have to be relative. And the width 100%, height 100%. Background, put the background we can put 222. Display flex, so everything will be I can push the center and vertical and horizontal center. Display flex is flexible for making elements center, align items center, justify content center. Let's see. So this is the result. Now the rocket dot rocket, the rocket div will be position relative, and put one animation or animate the animation name 0.2 s infinite is infinite. The img is smaller because the img is so big, so make the img display inline block for img. Put one width 50 pixel, height auto, This is the rocket currently, the code. Let's moving on keyframe area. Let's animate this one. So 0.100%, it will be percent. Transform, translate y, -1 pixel for the 50%. So the rocket will go up and down. Actually 0 to 50% will be transform, translate 1 pixel, and when it goes to again 100%, then it will go minus. So this is the currently the rocket is up and down now. Rocket before, content 0, position absolute, width 16 pixel, height we can put 60%. Percent means this area percent, the rocket from the 60% of the rocket size. And then position top should be 100%, so the fire will go completely bottom. And then left always to automatically 0. Background, put one background for before element. Before is this, we are making the left booster fire. Background linear gradient di, linear gradient. So color will be fire color, that is E67E22, and then put 1 comma, then F39C12. The size will be 10% for this. And then last one is transparent. And let's see. So this is the fire. Filter blur, 2 pixel will be enough, as you can see. Now just copy, put is after. So this will be right 0. Now to booster is complete. The last one will be this span tag. So rocket span, I want to keep this 70%, so little bit bigger than the two side. The left position will be 17 pixel. Yeah, now our rocket is complete. Now we can move on JavaScript part. Let's start. Put a function name will keep star. So put some variable. First count is default 50. Another variable for canvas equal to document dot query selector canvas. Another variable for the while loop, the default will be I variable. Make one I variable equal to 0. Now we can run the while loop for the stars. While I is less than count, then we can run the while loop. So let's put some variable for the star. So actually we are making the element in the document, so document create element should be dot the create element will be I. We will push this I variable later, just keep in mind. It will be document dot create element. So another variable will be the position, x position. So here we can run two function, JavaScript function, math dot floor, and inside math dot floor we can run math dot random. Math dot random will be multiply with Windows width, Windows inner width, window dot inner width. Let's create duration for one variable for the duration. Duration will be into 1. Put another variable. So dynamically we will create the height, math dot random 100 into 100. So our variable is completed. Push the style dot star dot style. This is star variable, star dot style left position, left equal to this x plus 1 pixel. So this pixel have to put pixel, so left position is this. Now dot width should be 1 pixel, and now put another, this should be height, math dot star dot style height should be h, this variable. Okay, now we can push the canvas. So canvas we can append a canvas, append child, star. So now we are appending with canvas what we created here. Okay, increase the while variable I plus plus. So every time it comes here, then plus one time. Now we can call the function create element. Now we can style the element I element dot position should be absolute, top minus, keeping the top position minus 150 pixel, minus background should be RGBA 255. Then we can put this animation, put one animation here, the S animation. This should be star animation. So star animation would be infinite, linear infinite, EAR, add keyframe, zero to 100%. So this should be 0. This should be 100 BH. We need to put style here, final style, star style, animation duration, and then put S for second. What the wrong with it? Oops, sorry for the typo, it should be with. So finally our rocket is ready and going to space. So thanks for watching, and I apologize for my English speaking. So hope you guys understand me.